All right, you know me, I like to talk about data, right? Let's talk about September inflation numbers are in. Yes, correct. September inflation is 8.2%. Gas prices are continuing to climb again, right? It's a little bit scary because OPEC has said they're going to stop production at a very huge amount of production. I think it was like 2 million a day worth of barrels going away. Okay, so we have to keep our eye on inflation. Now, core inflation did rose 0.6% and experts expected only 0.4, right? So core inflation, just as a reminder, takes out fuel as well as food, okay? So it is basically saying that right now, our inflation has pretty much been right around the same at 8 to 8.5% for the last 3 to 4 months. Now, remember, this is year-over-year numbers. Now, the last 3 months was the lowest inflation numbers from the year prior. The next 3 months were the highest. So I do expect with the Fed's raising rates continuing 0.75 bips every month, at least 2 more months I'm gonna guess, but probably 3 unless it comes down, that they're gonna still see some changes in inflation going down over the next 2 or 3 months, because if you have a peak of the fourth quarter being the highest last year, then you would hope with inflation or with the Fed's raising rates that at some point that kicks in and it starts to come down, right? And that is the goal that we're hoping for. Now, some experts are expecting interest rates to drop end of fourth quarter, beginning of first year. I think that's pretty ballsy. Honestly, I would say probably second, third quarter of next year is probably where we're gonna start to see that drop. But the reality of it is we're keeping our eye on inflation, understanding how it works, so we can give you the news and data that you need to make the best decisions for yourself. If you have any more questions, you wanna know more about inflation, reach out.